Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your T-Mobile iPhone is showing SOS mode instead of normal signal bars, the device may only be able to place emergency calls while regular calling, texting, and mobile data remain unavailable. This situation can happen unexpectedly even when the iPhone was working properly moments earlier. In many cases, the issue is connected to network registration, SIM card communication, carrier settings, or a temporary connection problem between the T-Mobile network and the iPhone. The best part is that SOS mode does not always indicate a major fault, and several quick checks can often restore service. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple troubleshooting steps that may help your T-Mobile iPhone reconnect to the network. Try these. Step 1. Toggle airplane mode on the T-Mobile iPhone. Step 2. Check signal availability on the T-Mobile iPhone. Step 3. Inspect the SIM card in the T-Mobile iPhone. Step 4. Update carrier settings on the T-Mobile iPhone. Step 5. Restart the T-Mobile iPhone completely. Step 6. Verify the T-Mobile iPhone reconnects to the network.